Hello friends, welcome back to my channel where I share with you my passion of cooking and travel. So today's recipe, what I'm making is very special. I'm doing my Indian recipe today. So it's the best cuisine for me. So it's Indian food, especially being I'm also Indian. So today's recipe, what I'm doing is a classic Indian. It's called it's okra in two ways onion. So it's in Indian language they say Bhindi Dopiaza. So Bhindi means okra. So this is okra, and Dopiaza means two ways of onion. So like one type of onion which is we make a masala sauce, and then another onion we can garnish with it. So what today I'm doing is I'm doing in a healthy way today. Since I do all the recipes, sometimes I do all the recipe as a healthy. So today I have pre-grilled this in my air fryer. So I have like for 160 for 5 minutes, 6 minutes I have pre-grilled, because normally the bhindi or the okra in India they fry it with oil. So to be fast in cooking, so they already fry this, but I'm doing in a healthy way. I'm doing in a grill, in an air fryer. So that way it's very healthy and I didn't use any oil in this preparation. So this is my okra. So I'm using around 150-200 grams of okra, which I have already air fried it. And for the main sauce, it's like a onion based sauce, for which I'm using onion, tomato, ginger garlic paste. And I love the best part of Indian food is with the spice what I use. So I'm using some carom seed. This is called ajwain in India. It's carom seed, cumin seed. Then for the ground spice, powder spice, I'm using some coriander powder, some garam masala, some turmeric powder, some paprika powder for color, and I'm using some cumin powder also, and just a slice of red chili. But this is normally a vegetarian dish. So it's like a vegetarian type of dish, but I'm doing I'm doing with a chicken also. So I'm doing a chicken which I have marinated. So this chicken is marinated with coriander and mint. So I made a pesto out of it with coriander and mint, and I marinated this. So it's like 6 hours I already marinated. So let's start the recipe. So for this we need, so I have started my saucepan here to make, I'll be making the masala sauce first, since the okra is already pre-cooked. So for the masala sauce, I'm not using any oil. So I'll put some cumin and some carom seed first. So dry roast a little bit, and the red chili. It's optional. If you want, you can skip it out. But I like a little bit of heat. So for that I'm using it. So I'm just dry roasting it. When you dry roast the spice, it leaves its oil, and the smell, the aroma is very, very nice. So just a little bit. Now I'll put some onion. So since I'm not using any oil, healthy recipe. Basically I will grind this to find a paste. Normally in India they use like this. They make the onion, cooked onion and then tomato and then leave it like this, but I'll make a paste of it. So it's good. Now I'll use a little of my secret ingredients, that is water, So the onion gets a little bit soft. Put some little bit of salt. See, my onion is getting color, so it's like getting brown. Now this time I can use some ginger garlic paste. I have some ginger garlic paste. I put a little bit of my secret ingredients. Yeah. So doesn't stick the ginger garlic paste. So you have to cook the ginger garlic, otherwise the smell will be not good. Just for so now I'll put all my dry spice. So and I put a little bit of water also, so the spice doesn't burn, because you don't want burnt spice in your food. Oh, the aroma is very yummy. That's why I like Indian food, because you have a lot of spice and the aroma is very nice. So you have to cook this spice till the spice is cooked. So I have to keep it. I will just put it less. So now I will add my tomato. And then I will add some water and let the tomato also cook. So it will take around 5 to 6 minutes till the tomato is cooked and it's soft. Then I can start the next process. So now I'll add some yogurt. So this is very essential. Some yogurt. It will give a rich to the onion masala sauce. Now we are already done. So just 1 minute. So now I will give a taste. To add some salt. The taste is very good. So, mix it nicely. This is the longest part of the recipe. So like the masala sauce, if you prepare this masala sauce, then your recipe can be very easy and very fast. So now the taste is very good. And now I'll add a little bit of I'll just add the okra, so that the okra can mix with all the onion and the spice. And then I will take out the okra and I'll grind this masala sauce, and I'll make it in a grind it and make it in a mix, and then I'll show you. I'll just 1 minute I'll put this okra, so the okra or the bhindi can get the taste of everything, and then I'll show you the next process. So I've already made a paste of my masala sauce, and then I'll use some fresh coriander. This is coriander, yeah, fresh coriander. Herbs is very nice. And now my masala sauce is ready, and now I can start with the chicken. So I have the grill is hot already, so I'm not using any oil. So I'll just put the chicken. I love this marination. I love this sound. So I'll put for 4 or 5 minutes of each side, and then I will show you the next process. Thank you. Everything is ready now. The chicken is already ready. So I put already 5 minutes each side. Save my lovely chicken with coriander and mint pesto. So now I'll plate this. So I have my lovely sauce here, masala sauce. So separate this masala sauce. Now I'll create the okra. So align this okra here. This is a lovely dish. Very, very nice dish. And it's very healthy because I'm not using any oil. So if you are diet conscious or if you are eating recipe which doesn't need any oil, this is the best recipe. You can enjoy this. So all my okra is here. So now I can garnish this with some pickle onion. I have some pickle onion, so we can garnish this. Pickle onion. These are lovely pickle onions. So this is the recipe of okra dopiaza. You can eat like this if you are vegetarian. So this is the vegetarian option. You can eat like this. But I'm using the chicken today. So I have here my chicken. So I put this chicken here. And I have some more ceviche. It's like onion and tomato, so I'll put here the onion and tomato. And you can garnish, that's like for garnish, and then you can garnish with basil leaf. So there you are, my guys, my healthy version of okra dopiaza, like Bhindi dopiaza. And it's very healthy. Do try it. So I'll end this video with a note that to be healthy, cook healthy, be healthy, and eat healthy. So till then, next week, see you. Bye bye.